Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by organizing a weekly plan that focuses on fundamentals and manageable targets. Use 50-minute study blocks with 10-minute breaks. Set one specific goal per session, like mastering derivatives or integrating by parts. Start with core definitions and proofs first, then work outward to examples and applications. Allocate 25% of your weekly time to reviewing prior material and 75% to new or difficult topics. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust goals weekly to keep momentum and avoid burnout. Prioritize active problem solving over passive reading. Practice builds fluency. Solve at least 30 focused problems each week, mixing textbook questions, past exams, and challenge problems. Use spaced repetition at 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days intervals to move concepts into long-term memory. Explain solutions aloud for 3 minutes each, teaching an imaginary student to clarify thinking. Time yourself on problem sets and track error types. Rotate problem topics to avoid the illusion of mastery and expose weak spots early. Before exams, consolidate with targeted reviews and realistic simulations. Keep an error log and review it weekly to eliminate recurring mistakes and track patterns. Simulate full exams for 90 minutes under timed conditions, replicating allowed materials and calculator rules. Create a one-page formula sheet and condense commonly used tricks and substitutions. Do lighter reviews the day before and prioritize sleep. Sleep 7 to 8 hours before exam day to optimize recall and processing. Plan grocery, travel, and materials logistics 2 days earlier to reduce stress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.